Hello everyone. So today we will see how to create an expression. Suppose I have a box. It has 4 pens. Then I have a box number 2. It has 5 pencils. Okay. Now suppose I have X kind of similar boxes like this. Means there are X number of boxes which has 4 pens inside it, and I have some kind of number of boxes of this type. Means suppose I have Y type of boxes which has 5 pencils inside it. So now I have to create an expression of this to count or to calculate the total number of boxes I have. So what could be the expression? So there are 4 pencils in one box. Then how many pencils will in the 2 boxes? 4 pens. Then in 2 boxes there will be 8 pens. In 3 boxes there will be 12 pens. That means 4 into number of boxes, correct? Plus next is 5 pencils in one box. In 2 box there will be 10 pencils. In 3 box there will be 15 pencils. That means 5 into number of boxes. Here we can write boxes with pen and with the boxes with pencils. That means 4x, number of boxes is x here, 4x plus 5y. So this is an expression. So this is an expression with 2 variables. Okay, now you got it, how to create an expression with. Hello students, so today we will see some questions from exercise 2.1 of NCERT Maths chapter 2. Okay. So first question is, find the degree of the following polynomials. So there are 4 options are given, 4 questions are given in which we have to find the degree of the given polynomials. So like we have seen, what is degree? Degree is the highest power of the variable in any expression or in any polynomial. So 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Here the variable is x and its highest power is 2. Since here power is 2 and here power is 1, so highest power is 2. So the degree for this is 2. Next is y cube plus 2y minus 1. Here the variable is y and its power, here it is 3, here it is 1. So highest power is 3. So the degree will be 3. Next is minus 9. Now here no variable is given. So can we consider it minus 9 into x ki power 0. X ki power 0 is 1. Then minus 9 into 1 is minus 9. So here the degree is 0. 4z minus 3. Here the variable is z and its degree is 1. Second questions, write polynomials of degree 1, 2, 3. We have to write 3 polynomials. One is with degree 1, other one is with degree 2, third one is with degree 3. So with degree 1, can we write 2x, or if we write 2x plus 3, it is fine, or can we make it 6x plus 3 or whatever. So here the power of x is 1 and variable is x. So it is with degree 1. Next, polynomial with degree 2 means the expression, the polynomial in which the power, highest power of the variable should be 2. So can we write it y square plus 50 y minus 3. So the degree will be 2. Next is with degree 3. Again, the polynomial in which the highest power of the variable should be 3. So can we write u to the power 3 7u plus u square plus 5u. Okay, so here we have only one variable, that is u, and its highest degree is 3. What are the coefficient of x square and x cube in polynomial? So they have given us this polynomial and we have to tell what is the coefficient of x square and x cube. Since we have seen what is coefficient? Coefficient is anything which is written before the variable in a term. So x to the power 4, here the coefficient is 1. Coefficient of x cube is minus 3. So they have asked us coefficient of x cube, it is minus 3. Coefficient of x square is plus 6, so we can write 6. Okay. What is the coefficient of z? Coefficient of z in polynomial, this is a polynomial they have given us, 4z cube plus 5z square minus 11. Coefficient of z means यहाँ पर they have not given us any power of z, so z के हमें सारे coefficients लिखने होंगे. So coefficient of this term, coefficient of z cube is 4, coefficient of z square is 5. Okay. What is the constant term of polynomial in this? They have given us this polynomial, we have to find what is the constant here. So this is a variable term since x is associated with it and we don't know what is the value of x. Same 5x square, this is again a variable term. Then at 8x, this is again a variable term, and then minus 10. So minus 10 does not have any variable associated with it. So the constant is minus 10. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you. Hello everyone. So today we will see some more examples on linear polynomial. So these are the examples from NCERT book. Let's see, the perimeter of a square of side x is 4x, which is a linear polynomial in the variable of x. Find the perimeter with side 4 cm and 5 cm. What is it saying? It is saying that we have a square and square has all the sides of square are equal. So suppose the length of the square is x. So what will be the perimeter of the square? It is 4x, x plus x plus x plus x. So it will be 4x. So perimeter of square equals to 4x. It's here the power of x is 1, so it is a linear polynomial. Now we have to find the perimeter if x is equal to 4 or if x is equal to 5. So let's see, if x equals to 4, that means we have to replace 4 here. That p equals to 4 into 4 is equal to 16 cm is the perimeter. Next, if x equals to 5 cm, then we have to replace this x with 5. That means 4 into 5 equals to 20 cm is the perimeter of this square. Correct? Now let's see one more example. A chess club charges a joining fee of rupees 200 plus 50 rupees for each match played. Refer the below table. What it means? It means that there is a initial fees is 200 rupees which is fixed, and then the additional fees for rupees 50 per match we have to pay. That means if anyone plays one matches, the fees will be 200 plus 50. Fees of one match, okay, 250. Two matches, 200 plus 50 plus 50, that means 300. Three matches, that means 200 plus 50 three times, that means 350. So where it is going? 200 plus 50 plus number of matches into number of matches, right? So we can say if someone has played a number of matches, then he is giving 200 plus 50 m fees, correct? So there is a question, if a player paid rupees 750 how many matches did he play? That means total amount paid is 750. Now this is our expression or polynomial. 200 plus 50m equals to 750. Correct? Since he has total paid 750. M is the number of matches that we have to calculate. Correct? So we can say 50m equals to 750 minus 200, that is 550. 50m and 0 0 either 5, it is 11. That means m equals to 11 is the total number of matches that he has played. So the person has played 11 number of matches. Welcome students. So today we will see one more example. Example number 6 from NCERT. What it is saying, the sum of two numbers is 64. One of the number is 10 more than the other. What are the two numbers? So there are two numbers whose sum is 64. Then it means first number we can say let first number equals to one of the number is 10 more than the other. Means one number is 10 more than the other. Then first number, if first number is x, then second number is equals to x plus 10. It has not said first number is 10 more or the second number is 10 more. So we can say any of the number which is 10 greater than the other number. Correct? So x is the first number, then the other number is 10 more than the other number. So one number is x, then x plus 10, and their sum is 64. So we can say x plus 10 equals to 64. Correct? Any issues? Let's add them. 2x plus 10 equals to 64, which will come as 54, and x equals to 27. Then means first number is 27 and the second number is x plus 10, that is 27 plus 10, it's 37. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.